Hi guys, I'm back Buffett. This is another day Buffett. I'm back with another video. Fikile Mbalula takes legal action to force Anele Mda to remove Bozawna's murder allegation. This story is written by Fikile Mbalula. So Anele Mda, who she was running as an independent candidate. Probably I think he accused Mbalula of being involved in the case. They made the case of Northwest billionaire Bozawna or millionaire slash. ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula has approached the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria with an urgent application seeking to compel political commentator Anele Mda to take down social media posts linking him to the murder of businessman Wandile Bozawna. Mbalula filed court papers last week arguing that the claims made by Mda are false, damaging, and must be addressed without delay. The matter is set to be heard on Monday. In his affidavit, Mbalula described a social media post by Mda as false, malicious, and reckless. He accused that they create the impression that he was involved, either directly or indirectly, in Bozawna's assassination. And people who were arrested is that guy, Yuvus Makeke, and two others were arrested and charged with and convicted with the murder of this businessman. Mbalula insists the allegation have no factual basis and that they threaten to cause serious harm or to his reputation and public standing. And Mbalula ufuna by president ANC. So nje niyamphazamisa mdana. Niyamphazamisa mdana nina ngalama accusation wenu. Hayi. The political chameleon Mbalula. He argues that they create the impression that he was involved either directly or indirectly in Bozawna's assassination. Mbalula insists the allegation have no factual basis. I'll read them that. The insurgence of clearing my name in the public sphere should be understood in the context of recent developments, including the commission of inquiry announced by the president into allegedly criminal links involving members of parliament and public officials, Mbalula stated in court papers. He also referenced recent comments made by KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner suggesting that public perceptions could easily link Mda's claims to broader allegations of political figures being involved with criminal networks. Well, like we already thought of that, bro. That you guys, all the corruption you're seeing, all the drugs that are filled our streets, you guys are involved because you're not doing anything illegal, foreigner, like you're not doing anything about anything, just living in a mansion with Gaten communities. So you're wasting your time. You think the public perception will change on you. People are still voting for the ANC. I don't know why. Because I think it's the better devil that they know. They're not voting for you guys as credible leaders. Trust me. It's that the better devil that they know in you. That at least the ANC has built houses for us, MRTP. At least the ANC has grants for us. At least the ANC. But I'm telling you, if the people would wake up, man, and vote for other political parties, probably these things that we have done, guys, could triple. The grants would triple, the RTP houses would be big, and service delivery could be on point. I'm not saying that might happen, but if people trust other political parties, because this is a democracy, we cannot keep voting for one party claiming we're in a democracy. But then Bozawna was shot and killed in a high-profile attack in Pretoria in October 2025 while traveling with his business partner Mpho Baloyi, who survived the murder, shocked the country, and led to a long-running trial. Last year, 4 men, including notorious Mamelodi taxi boss Vusikeke Matibela, were sentenced to 30 years in prison for their role in the killing. Mbalula, who described Bozawna as a friend, said that any suggestion he had a hand in the murder and deeply offensive and legally unfounded. However, it's opposing the application. Through her legal team, he accused that the matter does not qualify as urgent and claims the case is an attempt by Mbalula to silence her for revisiting public allegations that have circulated for years. She also noted that Mbalula never pursued legal actions against media outlets or individuals who previously raised similar questions about Bozawna's death. Because apparently Mbalula was owing this guy, man. And then I don't know if it's 1 million that he used to go to watch Floyd Mayweather overseas. So he didn't want to pay back the money. So that's why they draw the link that Mbalula didn't want to pay back the money. Then he did what he did, or he was involved. But those are all allegations, guys. She also noted that Mbalula never pursued legal against media. This is an effort to intimidate me and control the narrative, Mda reportedly said in her legal response. She maintains that her comments fall within the realm of public discourse and do not amount to defamation. The case has public interest given its links to broader concerns about alleged connections between political figures and criminal elements. While the convicted killers of Bozawna have been sentenced, speculation around the motive and possible masterminds behind the murder has never fully disappeared from public conversation. As the matter heads to court, it faces the spotlight not only on the legal boundaries of the public commentary but also on the growing tensions between political figures and social media users in an age where reputational battles are increasingly fought online. Hey guys, I mean, Mbalula batetheleleki for me, nabatetheleleki, but we cannot go around accusing people of things that they didn't do. But I am when they sincere for me, and I cannot tell them. So please, guys, subscribe, like, comment. What do you think about this issue? This is your voice intended. This is Azanian politics. See you on the next video.